Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix the error of pound and /a in Excel. In order to do that, I have created a table and now I'm going to create a formula of VLOOKUP inside the grade. I'm coming to C3 cell and simply writing my VLOOKUP formula, VLOOKUP. Opening my parentheses. I'm not going to explain you because I have a video about how to create VLOOKUP in Excel. You can watch this. Anyway, semicolon, getting the range from the score like this. Anyhow, semicolon once again. I want the index of 2, closing parentheses, entering, and we have the grade of F. Let's copy the formula to below cells. And as you can see, I'm getting the pound and /a error. How to fix this? Why this occurs? Let's come to this erroring cell and see what we've got here. Oh, I'm clicking to formula section, and as you can see, my formula has gone a little bit down to the empty value cells. Let's look at also this. Completely my range is out of the search area. How to fix this? Simply we have to freeze the columns between this range, deleting this completely. I'm coming once again to my formula, coming to section F3, and simply from our keyboard pressing F4, and I'm coming to G7. Once again, we're clicking F4 from our keyboard, pressing enter. Nothing's changed to this first cell. Let's copy this formula to below cells. As you can see now, my formula has been fixed. Let's see if we are inside the range of the data that we want. Yes, we are in range. So what we've done here, we freeze the cells of the range between the search and we simply fix the error like this. We have to freeze all the time in order to prevent this pound and /a error. So the video was like this. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.